Wearing a surgical or medical mask is one of the ways that you can protect yourself and others from COVID-19. Wash your hands or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer before and after handling a mask. These masks have a side with and without color. Usually the side with color should be facing out. Hold the mask by the elastic loops and place each band behind your ears. Surgical masks have an adjustable metal piece on the top that should be pressed against the bridge of your nose for a snug fit. Make sure there are no gaps between your face and the mask. When removing your mask, only touch the loops behind your ears. Don't touch the front. If you must reuse a surgical mask, always handle the mask by the elastic. Once masks get soiled with sweat or moisture, they should be replaced. Scarves, face coverings, and bandanas are a great homemade way that you can protect yourself and others from COVID-19. Wash your hands or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer before and after handling a face covering. A cloth face mask should have multiple layers of fabric intended to trap droplets that are released when the wearer talks, coughs, or sneezes. Mark your mask to use same side out every time. Place your mask over your mouth and nose. Tie it behind your head or use ear loops and make sure it's snug. If your mask isn't comfortable or is too difficult to breathe through, consider other options. Masks come in a variety of styles and sizes. Don't touch your mask while wearing it. If you accidentally touch your mask throughout the day, wash or sanitize your hands after. Remove the mask by untying it or lifting off the ear loops without touching the front of the mask or your face. If your mask becomes wet or dirty, switch to a clean one. Put the used mask in a sealable or paper bag until you can wash it. Cloth face coverings should be washed daily and are safe to launder with other articles of clothing. Don't use face masks as a substitute for social distancing. A fabric face covering should be washed daily or after each use. It is important to keep your hands clean after handling face covers and avoid touching your face after removing a mask. You may wash your mask with soap and water by hand or in a washing machine. It's fine to launder it with other clothes. You may wash your face covering by hand using water and soap, or you could prepare a bleach solution by mixing 4 teaspoons household bleach per quart of room temperature water. To dry it, use the highest heat setting on a dryer and leave in the dryer until completely dry. Or you may lay it flat and allow to completely dry. If possible, place the cloth face covering in direct sunlight